never. Oh look, car. See the car? There's a car. Car. You see the car? Car. Car. What? What do you see? Rough. Oh, did you get that older?
Look at the hair.
Threw one back behind the couch, so it's now lost. Look, there's Mama spelled M-A-M-A. Can you spell Mama? Or M-O? Oh, car. Car just went by the house. A blue cow. And he just passed the Southeast Max place. He just passed it now. He's backing up and going in there.
I think you found your glasses.
Yeah, I don't think he can get it open though. Bring it here. Toy. Thank you. You can't break them. Go get the clacker. Oh, I'm surprised you haven't had more toys back there than now. Uh-oh. Look here, Valentine. See the Valentine Day, Chris? Chris. It's got, what is your name? Cash?
We'll leave
Look at the
it.
Valentine card. Get the Valentine card.